Naku apan tip siya pang jungi. Lakam pat, apinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Unong yalam ke BGP uba Alexander Elhek hake nyutre unaitung araja apun rio Lakam House nam araja apupra ke BGP kan seyoban bat yo Lakam Synshar hake jela Meghalaya hake jengkran begala petai kubor uba hek ulong ba ke BGP kan yakun bet marwe ya ke General Election House nam araja apupra bat kan om yetre lang ba kanu sengsan pertai hake baide bat ke election MP siteng samoy keban salong shan hasalong Lok Sabha constituency uba hek ulay thu paula tarwai kerteng jong MLA ke South Shillong constituency uba sanbor shulai ubolong ru menteri ke sarkar jela handai ke shongpat hakarai jong ki bor bahalor ke parti.
Only in 2028 the BJP-led government will be in Meghalaya. That's very clear stance. No, that the party, national party, will choose who will be the leader. But I will telling you again, I again reiterate it, that in 2028 it will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya. We'll go alone. Will not go with any other, no pre-poll alliance with any political party. That is depend on the national decision. I will not be able to tell you anything about the national decision. 20th of November. So we have a very right time to declare our candidates, BJP candidates. See, at the beginning, of course, they had told me to contest for this by-election, but I said that I'm still in one to have so many other responsibility to complete. That's why I'm not going to contest. So, but now depend on the party what decision they'll take. I have proposed this thing. Let's see whatever the national party feel fit to declare whose name to contest. So we have to accept, and we are going to fight very strongly. We have still another maybe 5-6 months to have the elections, not delay. So 3 months is, I think 3-4 months is good enough to prepare for the by-elections. I'm not talking about the general election, but at least the by-election.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Snem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Snem's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is Snem's, our ride, our future.